And this is the one. Ta-da! 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 And this is the dash bag. And ta-da! Here is my Alma baby. LB. It's arrived today. I love it. I love the design, guys. The form, the design, and the quality. So I just got it today. So I'm happy it's arrived. And we just look inside. What's inside? Inside here's the what happened to my hair now? Inside here's the little bag, and inside is the lock. There's the lock, and there's the keys. Oh, nice. Love it. And here is the sling. Here. Here. Where I can put it's here, I think. Here. It's here and on the other side. See, like this. You can do it like this, or you can it's my Alma baby Ebene. Or just like this. Okay, let's go party. Let's go party, guys. Here, on the other side. Here, like this. Or you can also do like that. Like this. Like this. Or like this. Okay, let's go party. And then pwede din also okay here. Or here. Like this. And I love this bag because I saw Rihanna and Jennifer Love Hewitt and also Kendall Jenner. Yes. I love the design. It's like this. Okay, I will try to find out what the things I can put inside. Here. And here's the coated fabric. It's the sign that it's leather. Okay, I will show you what the things you can put inside. I have my wallet here. Okay, this wallet. See inside, guys. It's very spacious. See? It's a lot of space inside. And okay, I can put my wallet here and the sunglass. What else? The key. Space. See? Wow, I love it. Oh my God. You can have a lot of things here inside the bag. See? And the wallet. And if you have some makeup, you can still put inside. And just remember to have a little bag maybe, because just to protect inside, to avoid getting dirty. So I love this, guys. I'm so happy it's arrived today. We ordered it last week, and they said that there's no stock, and they just send me a message if they arrive. And okay, guys, I will tell you the story of this bag. Why I buy this, even it's a little bit expensive. If it is worth to buy the LV, the Louis Vuitton bag, it's worth it to buy. I think it's okay. It's okay to buy the expensive thing once you save. Once you save money for that things. It's not good if you borrow money so that you can buy things that you want. No, I'm not like that. I just try to save some money. And I have also the other LB, the small one that I had before. I had sold it out, so I can put some money of this savings, and that's why I bought this one. So it's also a gift for to myself. So maybe here's, I think it's here. Where will you put the lock? I don't know. I have to here, because it's, I have to find out where to put the lock. But I have the lock, I have the keys, and I love this bag. and I will take care of this because it's I had saved a lot of money of this. And it's because before I had a plan to buy this one, but when I had savings and then I have some priorities, so I have to use it first. So and now I started to save money again, so I will use it to the party. I'm so excited to use this, and the key later maybe. So is it cute? Right? It's cute. So but and I think you can find the numbers inside. I think there is a later number here. Okay, yes. There is a number inside, the seal number. Seal. And also here's guys, I love, there was also names here. Ding, ding. And here, for the safety, you put on the table. So that's my unboxing because I just got it today, so I was happy that I got this at last. So I'll put this here. Again. I'm so excited to use this. I have also the one called the Speedy 2020. I think 20, yeah. There is two kinds, 20 or 25. But I think I have the 20, the smaller one. So, but it's bigger than this. So, I love this because it's not too big and not too small. You can put a lot of things inside. Okay guys, and this one also. I will save this, of course, because there's a name. It's not always we can buy brand name with brand names because it's not affordable, and I cannot afford to buy always expensive things. Especially now I have to look for a new job. So that's one.